Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit cryptocurrency to your RedotPay account. So first is open your RedotPay application and click on Home, then tap on Deposit, right? This one. And then select the currency that you want to deposit, like for example, USDT. And then just choose the corresponding network for the selected currency. So here you just have to click on this one, and just a note that only the selected network for USDT supports deposits of that specific currency. So for example, USDT is for ERC20, so it does not support ETH deposits, and for USDT it's for BEP20, so this does not support BNB deposits. So just for example, we will use USDT TRC20. So here, and then you just have to select network, which is the TRC20. And then you can either copy the deposit address or scan the QR code to make your deposit. And then please note that the minimum deposits for USDT to TRC20 is $1 USDT, 1 USDT rather. And then after the handling fee is deducted. So RedotPay will only credit your account if the received amount exceeds 1 USDT. So deposits less than 1 USDT will not be credited. So please, you can also refer to the supported cryptocurrencies for more info. And after copying the address, you can open the application that you wish to withdraw from. So for example, in the Binance application. So you go to the spot account and click on withdraw. So from here, you have to click on this one, spot, and then tap on withdraw. And then select the currency to withdraw and choose send via crypto network. So you just have to click on USDT since that is what we copied the address from. And then next is to tap on the send via crypto network. So after that, just paste the deposit address that we've copied from the RedotPay application into the withdrawal address field and select the corresponding network. So please refer to our step number 3, which is the USDT TRC20. So you have to make sure to select the correct network to avoid deposit issues. So this is where you're gonna paste the address. Then after that, just select the network, which is the TRC20. And then after that, tap on withdraw. And then just follow the prompts in the application to complete the withdrawal process. So the RedotPay requires 5 network confirmations for the USDT TRC20 deposits, with each confirmation taking up approximately 1 minute. So after confirmation, you can check the deposit status in the RedotPay application under the wallet, then plus USDT. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!